Hey everybody, this right here is a beautiful specimen of a 1996 Ford F-150. This is a 4x4 regular cab Eddie Bauer Edition. What I have in my hand right here is the original window sticker from when it sold off the dealership lot in 1996. This truck sold for around $25,000 with all options included. And for reference, that's around $50,000 in today's money. This truck is equipped with the 5-liter V8, which runs beautifully. This is truly a beautiful example of an old body style Ford. With the beautiful Oxford white paint job, the chrome trim, and the two-tone adds a timeless classic look. It's freezing cold out here, so what do you say we hop inside? Now, as you can see, the interior of this truck is beautiful and it's amazingly well kept. Everything we have in here is all we could ever need. We have cruise control, we have power mirrors, power windows, we even have power lumbar support on the seats. This beautiful fake wood trim here with the Eddie Bauer logos. I love this tan interior very much. This is the automatic transmission with overdrive. Have our light controls here. Power locks and power windows are pretty cool on an old truck like this. Power point down here. Beautiful, huge dash. The dash pad is in great shape. I love the big center armrest here that someone can sit if need be. The storage is great. Cool cup holders. Let's take a closer look around the exterior of this beautiful truck. I love these sleek and solid door handles, the simple keyhole, the two-tone paint job, and the cab steps look amazing. Brand new Goodyear tires just complete this truck. As we walk around the backside of this awesome truck, you will see the Eddie Bauer logo and this box cover. Chrome bumper is in awesome shape, and I'll show you something I love right here is how the Ford logo looks, especially with the two-tone paint job. And of course we have a bed mat in here protecting this box. Amazing box on this truck with plenty of utility and a nice heavy tailgate. We have our locking hubs up front. Now, why don't we pop the hood? The hood latch is right down here. Pull on that, reach right in here. So now we have the 5-liter engine here, new battery, and a nice clean and tidy engine bay. The 5 liters are great engines, although the 5.8 liters are usually a little more sought after. Now let's fire it up. And of course it fired right up, and I just love the smell of these old Ford truck interiors and how warm and cozy these cabins get when it's -20 outside. And again, here's that retro green analog look. And when you turn the lights on, you have that retro green look in here as well, which I personally like. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, the roads are very bad over here, and I'm not going to be taking this truck out for a drive, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment your questions, your comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to stick around for more videos.